This is the rotary 4-speed sprocket and fulcrum lever installation. In previous steps, you had the fulcrum lever installed so that you could rotate the mechanism to retract the internal pawls on the axle. You'll need to remove that first. Then install the dust cap and the cog. The snap ring has a split in it. Hold the split 90 degrees away from your thumb and use a flat blade screwdriver to pry the snap ring on. Then note the yellow mark on the axle assembly. Align the 3 yellow marks on the fulcrum lever. It should set right on. And then install the C-clip, circlip, and make sure that it's all the way down. And you're done.